Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to separate words from or divide words by comma from a paragraph or set of lines. Okay, you can see here, this is my YouTube tags here. You can see here, I'm just copy these tags like this, then paste to this column, then click here, separate, then it's automatically separate each words like shortcut to change font. Okay, it is very useful for YouTube tags, and I created this code using ChatGPT, and this script is running on my local host by using AMP software. I'm using these AMPs. Okay, so I show you the code here. You can see my separate code. It's a very small code starting here, ending here. So you can see here, just prompt in your chat GPT like this, write a PHP code using JavaScript for separating words by comma from a paragraph or set of lines. Then ChatGPT give you this code. Okay, that's it. So it is very useful for you. You cannot need separately add notes, tags in your YouTube, because YouTube don't allow multiple or duplicate keywords. So you can just copy this one. There is, you can see there is multiple times this keyword is repeating, like notepad, font, change, access, settings, they are repeating. But YouTube tags only support one word from one letter, like a small letter or capital letter. If you type two words in small letter and capital letter, it will support two of them. But in normal, uh, in small letter or capital letter, you type two words, YouTube only support only single word. So you can just copy these tags from here, then paste it to your YouTube tags. It will be delete all duplicate tags. So it is very useful creating more videos for your more videos and tag more it. Okay guys, if you like this video, please if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.